If your PC is slowing down or running out of space, upgrading to a faster SSD or a larger hard drive is the best move you can make. Today, we are using a highly efficient, data-accurate workflow to clone your old drive to a new one seamlessly using EaseUS Partition Master. Before we click any buttons, we need to ensure your system recognizes the hardware and protects your data. Plug your new hard drive or solid-state drive into your computer. Now simply make sure your new target drive doesn't contain any important data, because the cloning process is a total block-by-block replica, meaning it will completely overwrite and erase everything currently on that destination disk to make room for your system files. So ensure it is clear and ready to go. Now, we are officially ready to launch the software and begin the migration. First, we need to open EaseUS Partition Master. If you don't have it installed yet, I have left the official free download link in the description and pinned comment below. Once you are on the official landing page, simply click the free download button to grab the installer. As soon as the download finishes, open the file directly from your browser's download manager and follow the quick setup prompts to install it. Once the installation is complete, simply launch the software from your desktop to open the main interface. Once the software opens, navigate over to the left-hand menu and click on the Disk Clone tab. The latest version of EaseUS will now present you with 4 specialized clone modes to match your exact goals. We have the Migrate OS for moving just Windows and your apps, Clone OS Disk for a complete 1:1 mirror of your entire system drive, Clone Data Disk for secondary storage drives, and Clone Partition for copying a single drive letter. Because we are doing a complete system upgrade, select Clone OS Disk and click Next. Notice that because we selected an OS clone, EaseUS Smart selects your active C drive as the source automatically. This saves us a step. All you need to do now is click on your newly connected empty destination drive to highlight it and click Next. Now choose your destination disk layout. You will see 2 choices, which is the recommended layout or the clone as the source. Go ahead and select the recommended layout. This ensures the software automatically optimizes the partition space for your new drive. Click Start to proceed. Before the process begins, a safety prompt will pop up reminding you that cloning will permanently overwrite and erase any existing data on that drive. Click Yes to confirm. The cloning process will now officially begin. Just sit back and let the software handle the heavy lifting. Now, if you are looking to unlock the full Pro cloning features for a lifetime, you can use our exclusive deal link to get up to 50% off EaseUS products. And for power users, use the third link in the pinned comment for the best value lifetime bundle. Make sure to use the promo code ULTIMATE at checkout to stack an extra discount. Once the process bar hits 100%, a pop-up will appear giving you the option to automatically adjust your boot settings. The checkbox is enabled by default, so you can simply click Reboot Now to have the PC automatically restart right into your BIOS or boot configuration menu. Once you are inside the BIOS screen, navigate over to the Boot tab using your arrow keys. Look for your boot option priorities and change the boot option number 1 to use your new cloned drive. This tells your computer to load Windows from your fast new drive instead of the old one. Now simply save your changes. Confirm your decision. And exit. Once you are done, your PC will automatically restart. Now, because we have 2 identical drives containing Windows connected at the same time, you will see a Windows Boot Manager screen asking you to choose an operating system. Simply select the first Windows option on the list, and your system will boot straight into a much faster, fully cloned desktop experience. Immediately after hitting the desktop, let's open up this PC in the File Explorer to verify the results. As you can see right here, we now have our perfect twin drives. Our second SSD is no longer an empty canvas. It is an exact 1:1 match of our source drive, completely optimized and ready to go. Don't forget to grab the official software or unlock those exclusive lifetime discounts using the links down in the description or pinned comment. Thanks for watching.